Hi, I'm Simi and today I will show Charmkit. It's an automatic litter box as you never seen before. But before we start to do the test, let me show some details. That one is Miro and as you can see, the box arrived. But mine is just a prototype, so I guess when you guys receive it, we'll have some printing outside. And I opened just a little to see how it was inside. And as you can see, it's really well protected. You can check, they have a lot of space here, so even though something hits on the box will not touch the machine. But I opened the wrong position, so let me take out and I will show it to you guys. I just took out from the box and Umi is already checking what is it. And then comes Mimi. I think cats are really curious about everything. The design is beautiful, elegant, and friendly. On the right side, you can find a power port, an air ventilation outlet, and also one storage compartment. You can use it to keep, for example, the plastic roll or anything else. The front part has the bin waste with large capacity. One remote control. I will write the control functions on the screen, so it will be easier for you to come back to this video and check it later if you need. Then the entrace. On both sides you will find the security sensor. The entrace also has a door that will close when the machine is working. In this way, it will prevent your cats to enter in and hurt itself. The barrel has a large capacity of 68 liters and it's big enough for cats like mine. You can see there is space enough for her. I think she really liked this place. Maybe I should buy one and just make one home. What do you think, guys? It has a small grid to remove the sand that will stuck on the cat spawn, another grid that will separate the dirt part from the sand, and look how interesting. On the back of the barrel there is a camera. I will remove the barrel and show it in a better angle. On both sides you can find a handle, so you can easily remove the cover. And after you remove the cover, you will see the machine like this. And behind the barrel you will find one lock. You need to release this lock if you want to remove this barrel. To start to use, we just need to fill it, and you can use many kind of materials. For example, sand, tofu, etc. And it's easy to fill just using the gap on the top. After that, we can press the auto button 2 times to unlock the machine, and 1 quick time on the empty button. So instead of empty, the machine will flatten the sand. And now we are ready to use it. And I must say, my cat seems very comfortable to use it. I put the litter sand inside to test it for the first time, and Umi used it right away. I didn't even get the chance to record she entering it, but luckily I recorded she using it. I also got Mimi using it. And this time I was also lucky to catch her with the inside camera. You can see here is her pee being thrown away. Bye bye! And Mimi is funny because she doesn't like to pee and poop in the same place. So first she pee and then she go out. And then after that she came back to check and noticed the litter box was clean. So she entered again to make the number 2. And she did what she needed to do. And now we can say bye-bye to her poop too. Later I went to work and I left the camera recording on the time-lapse, and I got them using a few times more.
Till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right, we'll find the remedy.
My cats have been using this one for a few days, so I will show that it really can keep a lot of dirt. Mimi came to check. Miro also came to check. Yeah, so you can clean after several days. When you install the litter bag, you can see here there is 2 eggs and here there is one more. This one more you put in the front part. So let's do it. You leave this edge like this. So when you want to remove the garbage, you just pull this part and you will see everything will be packed and you don't need to make your hands dirty. And I really like the air function. It will release negative ions to help with the odor, and after every time the cat uses the litter box, it will turn on the fan and expel the air through the pipe. So you can put the pipe outside and keep your house smell fresh. As I mentioned before, you can control the machine using the remote control you can find in the front part. But if you want to use the app, you can also control it, and then you can get more information there too. So let me show it to you guys. For the app, we will use Tuya Smart. After you connect with Charmkit, you will find this interface. This interface still have some error, but they said they are fixing everything before they release the product. Here you can do many things and also can find many informations. For example, here you have all the event logs, and if you need to find more information, you just click here and then you can find all the data separate by days. Not only that, here they will show how many times the litter box was used today and also the average duration. For the commands, you have the emergency door opening button here and also some buttons here you can press and use. For example, we have the cleaning button, leveling button, replacing the litter, ventilation, and more. Here in more, you can click and then you find some more settings. If you want to access the camera, you can just click in this icon and then it will connect. You can take some photos, you can also make some videos, and everything you recorded will be in this folder. You can also come back to the first page and then click Me. In this Me part, you can see the message center. In the message center, you will see they will send a message every time it has some motion detection. For example, like right now we were recording, so it detected me, but you can see before Umi used the toilets and they also take some photos. And now I must be honest with you guys, and sometimes I use the camera inside just to check how cute my pets are. Look, how can I resist Umi cute little face? And here is both of them playing together. Okay, now we know Charmkit has a very nice design. It's very easy to use, has a lot of cool functions, but we care about pet safety, and for that they made a lot of measurements. For example, if for some reason the door is closing and the cat wants to have a look, the door will open again, and it will keep it open until the cat is out of the radar range. Now you know how to use it, you know it's safe, and about the cleaning. The cleaning steps are very easy too. To clean Charmkit, you just long press the empty button and it will remove all the sand. Remove the cover, release the barrel, remove the barrel, and just wash it. So my opinion about it, Charmkit is very easy to use and very useful. They are still improving a lot of functions, but I'm very happy with what I tested. And if you want to know more information about it, don't forget to check the link in the description. And if you like my content, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye!